10 cute animals that can kill you. Let's start with the cute animals to the super cute animals in the list. Number 10. Dolphins. Though the dolphin is considered as the human's friend in the sea, but this mammal has a very strange act. The bottlenose dolphin is the only confirmed creature, apart from humans, that can kill with completely no reason. And though its attack on humans are rare, it doesn't prevent that there are some confirmed incidents. In 1994, there was a dolphin who attacked a couple of people in Brazil. It killed one of them and broke the other's ribs. And another person stated before, when he was close to Sherkin Island in Ireland, that there was a dolphin that tried to sink him on purpose. Number 9. Panda. Maybe you have seen before some videos of the cute panda trying to move from a tree to another, or while it's trying hardly to eat bamboo. And your first impression will be that you will want to play with this cute teddy bear. But I don't recommend that you do so. While the panda mostly depends on the bamboo as food, but the panda also is a very moody creature and will get aggressive if it feels any kind of threat. In 2015 happened an accident of panda that people were chasing it in a village, and when the panda escaped them, it went to a little farm, and unfortunately for the owner, he was there and the panda quickly attacked the farmer and bit off his leg. But the man fortunately survived, and that's just one of many incidents involving pandas. Number 8. Slow loris. The slow loris looks very cute to a point that when you see it, you will pity him, and it's no wonder if you want it to be your pet. But if this happened, your life will be in real danger. Aside that, owning the slow loris is illegal. The loris is a very lethal animal, and he is considered to be the most poisonous mammal in the world. And the way the loris manages the poison is really strange, and it's that it produces poison from its elbow, then put it in its mouth to mix it with the saliva to make its bite deadly. And something that's also strange in the loris is that it uses the same technique as the cobra, that when it feels in danger, it makes noises and sway exactly like a cobra. Number 7. The mute swan. The mute swan is known in ballet and is very famous by its beauty and prestige. And many people think that it's one of the cutest animals in the world. But the mute swan have a dark side that proved it's dangerous, and sometimes lethal. And it's known that it's very nervous and could attack and bite anyone who disturbs it. And there are many recorded incidents involving the swan trying to sink kids playing with it, and its long and strong neck and sharp teeth play a great part in making attacks more dangerous. Besides it having an aggressive behavior, since it doesn't make a hit and run, but it still attacks and chases anybody trying to escape. Number 6. The southern cassowary. The southern cassowary is considered to be the most dangerous bird in the world, and it's an Australian bird that looks pretty cool though. Its behavior is very dangerous and violent. The southern cassowary's speed can still easily reach 48 km per hour. And what's most dangerous is its way of attacking. The cassowary runs flat out, then jumps to stab the target with its sharp claws. Back in the old ages, it was hunted to use its claws as tips for spears. Though human deaths by the cassowary are rare, it doesn't prevent that there is some confirmed incidents, and it's heavily advised to stay away from the areas where the cassowary lives. Number 5. Sea lion. When sea lions are on a beach, they look beautiful, and their smooth skin and friendly face makes anybody want to get close to them, and they indeed prove their ability to attract people in any zoo in the world. But they are nearer to be dangerous than being cute, and the reason is that their behavior caused many human injuries and deaths. And a part of the killer whale, the sea lion is considered to be the most dangerous hunter in the South Pole, and their favorite meal are penguins. But there's recorded incidents of them attacking humans and dragging them to the bottom of the sea, and the sharp teeth and strong jaws make their bite able to rip off large pieces of meat. In 2003, a biologist named Christine Brown died because of a sea lion while diving near the search station she worked in, and this sea lion dragged her from the leg to the bottom of the sea till she died. Number 4. Poison dart frog. Due to this frog's name, you may immediately know it's dangerous, and these colorful frogs differ in colors and poison rate, and the most kind you should be aware of is a golden poison dart frog. And the reason is that the golden poison dart contains enough poison to kill 10 adults. And the most important, don't touch its colorful skin, although it's so attractive, because their poison is stored in the skin glands. And what's really strange is when these frogs are raised in labs, they become non-toxic, and that made scientists think that the poison is generated by the food it eats in the nature, then it takes the poison to use it itself. Number 3. The Aardvark. The Aardvark is a friendly animal, almost, and its food system only depends on small insects, and usually it's considered as one of the most peaceful animals in the world. But the defensive side of the Aardvark is side no man on earth want to experience. And while it doesn't attack first, if you attack its land, it's going to defend it until death. And it will use its gigantic sharp claws. And to make the hit even more lethal, the Aardvark will stand on its back legs to strike with all its weight. There are some incidents of the Aardvark attacking humans and other killing them. And because it's one of the favorite preys of some giant cats like the jaguar, it's always ready to defend itself from stronger and bigger enemies. And that makes it more dangerous if it meets humans. Number 2. Platypus. That cute creature, which its body looks like a beaver and mouth looks like a dog, is called platypus, and it's the only mammal that lays eggs. And while it's a mix of cute animals, it's real far from cute. The platypus has a claw in its back foot, which contains enough poison to kill a dog, and this claw is 0.59 inch long, and the poison in it is produced from gland in the hip, and this poison is used in the fight against other animals. And while its sting might not be enough to kill an adult, it's still capable of delivering severe pain. Number 1. Pufferfish. The pufferfish is one of the cutest fishes in the ocean. It was used in some kids shows like SpongeBob and Finding Nemo, but that doesn't say it's not lethal. And it's weird that it's more dangerous when it's dead and served on dinner in a famous Japanese recipe called fugo. And while the pufferfish is alive, it contains a toxic solution called tetrodotoxin as a mean of self-defense, and just one sting from it will be the last day in your life, and also the hardest. But however, this isn't the most common way to get poisoned. The most common one is to eat the fugo from an unprofessional chef, which couldn't handle the fish properly and couldn't extract all the poison from the fish during the preparation. Once the person is poisoned, he will suffer vomit, muscle twitches, fast heartbeats, and he will become unable to breathe, and death rates are from 10 to 50%. And to this day, there is no antidote.